One of the most frequently asked questions in pathology exams is nutmeg appearance of liver. But don't memorize it. Instead, understand it once and you'll remember it forever. Hello and welcome to the White Coat Classroom. In this module, we will be understanding why there is nutmeg appearance of liver. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first question arises, when this nutmeg appearance is seen? So, nutmeg appearance of liver is seen in case of venous congestion. So, whenever there is chronic venous congestion, that leads to appearance of nutmeg liver. So, here we have is the liver. This is the cut section of liver. We can clearly appreciate this cut section is resembling to this nutmeg fruits cut section. So this is nothing but the nutmeg appearance. Now, why this nutmeg appearance is produced? Let's understand the pathology behind it. To understand the nutmeg appearance of liver, first we must understand the normal hepatic lobule. So here we have is the hepatic lobule. In the center of hepatic lobule, we have is the central vein. And at the periphery, we have three structures. That is the hepatic artery, the portal vein, and the bile duct. And in between them, we have is the chain of hepatocytes. So these are the chain of hepatocytes, and the space in between the hepatocyte chain is called as sinusoid. So this space in between the hepatocyte chain is the sinusoid. So here we have is the hepatic lobule. Over here we have is the chain of hepatocytes like this. And this space in between is the sinusoid. Now, what we must appreciate is the blood supply to any organ comes via artery. So here we have is the hepatic artery, which supplies the oxygenated blood. So oxygenated blood is supplied like this. From all the peripheries, it comes towards the central vein. So because of this arterial supply, the liver is divided in three zones, Zone 1, Zone 2 and Zone 3. Let's demarcate them. Zone 1 is the most perfused zone. So this is Zone 1 and it would be having maximum perfusion because the artery is very close over here. So because of the closeness of artery, Zone 1 would be having very good blood supply. The next one is the Zone 2. So this is the Zone 2, which would be having comparatively a decreased blood supply. And the last one is the Zone 3. Here we have is the Zone 3. In the central part, we have is the Zone 3. Whenever there is ischemia or whenever there is hypoperfusion, the first zone to die is Zone 3 because the blood has to reach from periphery to the center. To supply, blood has to come from periphery to center. So the most perfused zone would be Zone 1 and the least perfused zone would be Zone 3. The most severe hypoxic injury would be in the Zone 3. So there will be necrosis of cells in Zone 3. First concept which we have studied is there are three zones, Zone 1, Zone 2 and Zone 3. And the least perfused zone is Zone 3. So the most common hypoxic injury is in the Zone 3. The second concept is whenever there is chronic venous congestion, there is accumulation of blood in the vasculature. So the central vein, and whenever there is chronic venous congestion, the central vein dilates and there is accumulation of blood in it. And this blood is now flooding this space. It is present in between the hepatocytes, that is nothing but the sinusoids also. So the sinusoids are filled with blood. So what we can appreciate is because of the combined effect of ischemia to the Zone 3, along with that, the pressure effect because of this dilated vasculature, this causes necrosis of hepatocytes of Zone 3. So this area would be appearing red in color because of the hemorrhage and necrosis component. While the Zone 2 is slightly hypoperfused. So whenever there is reduced oxygenation to hepatocyte, it leads to fatty change. So there will be fatty change in Zone 2. So Zone 2 would be appearing yellow in color, while Zone 3 is appearing reddish brownish in color because of the hemorrhage. So there would be alternating band of brown color and yellow color. So these bands of yellow areas and red areas would be giving nutmeg appearance. Because of extensive necrosis, this area is appearing reddish brown in color, while this area is appearing yellow in color. So there are alternate bands of red and yellow that is giving appearance of nutmeg. Grossly, liver would be enlarged, tender, and capsule would be tense. And on cut section, we can appreciate is the nutmeg appearance and the mottled appearance. That's it about the nutmeg appearance of liver. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the content, click on the like button. Thank you so much for watching.